This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will create a tiny auto hotkey script now. First, install auto hotkey and open Notepad as administrator so the script can interact with system windows. Once done, copy the provided commands that find the Windows taskbar handle and set it to topmost. Make sure to save the file with the awk extension. This is the executable script format. You do not need to restart yet. Run the script to test. This approach is direct because Windows has no built-in persistent toggle for taskbar topmost. You will place the actual commands into your awk file and execute it. Write code that gets the shell tray W&D handle, then call set window pos with HW&D topmost and flags to preserve size and position. Once saved, double-click the awk file to run. You should see the script icon in the tray and the taskbar remain above most application windows. If certain full-screen apps override it, that's expected. Make sure to run the script each session or move to persistence in the next step. You will finalize persistence and know how to fix common failures. Place a shortcut to your awk file in %appdata %back/Microsoft /Windows /start menu /programs /startup so the script runs at login. If Windows blocks interactions, compile the script to an exe and set it to run as administrator. Use Task Scheduler with highest privileges if required. If the taskbar stops being topmost after Explorer restarts or updates, restart your script.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.